ठीक ठीक है.
A warm welcome to esteemed viewers of 10 News Network. Namaskar. A very warm welcome to viewers of 10 News Network. And it's an absolute pleasure to introduce our distinguished panelists, Miss Shruti Dutt, our own Dilli Wali Nani, who is not just an author and an educator. She's been driving forces, driving online, I would say, a revolution for women and for children through her online communities as well. She's been educating women and children for more than 3 decades and a real contributor in society. The list is long. She doesn't need much of introduction. Then we have with us Mr. Shailesh Kumar, who's number one, I would say the best-selling author of a book called Couples in Sync Roll Together. He's a motivational speaker, transformational coach, and relationship expert. Shailesh ji, namaskar. Welcome on the group. We have with us the author of Victim to Victory. I must say the name in itself is very inspiring. She's a life coach and an educational expert. She's been working aggressively with young students and especially the core of, I would say, the Indian parents' heart, the mathematician. I welcome you all on the board. Namaskar.
Thanks, Shweta.
Thank you, Shweta.
Shailesh ji, I think we'll begin with you because I think Shruti ji I think she's having some technical issues. So would you like to introduce yourself to our viewers?
Sure. Hi, everyone. I'm Shailesh and Amazon #1 best-selling author of the book Couples in Sync Roll Together. Being a transformation coach and a relationship expert, I've contributed to various articles on relationships in leading newspapers in India, invited by 92.7 Big FM radio in the Big Mehman show. I've impacted lives of 400 plus people, including married couples in the last 6 months. I'm on a mission to transform lives of 50,000 plus people, including 30,000 couples in the next 3 years. I work with people who find themselves stuck and unable to move forward in the journey of their life due to some blocks within them and limiting beliefs, and help them transform their life through an amazing and a powerful system. That's about me. Thank you, Shweta. Looks like there's a technical glitch. It's been raining outside. So,
Okay, then Shailesh, I think I will continue with my introduction because
yes,
anyway
please go
she's
ahead.
coming to me. So Shailesh, first of all, it was nice, very beautiful introduction, and I'm very inspired looking at your, the credibility, huge credibility, and I'm
Yeah,
very happy and
thank you.
proud to be part of this team today. Shweta is, I think due to some technical error, we can't hear her. But Shweta, thank you so much for having us here today. And it was a nice introduction from you about us. Hello, everyone. I'm Seema Ranavre. I have done my master's in chemistry. After that, I have worked as in a pharmaceutical research for 8 years. Then I started running my coaching institute. I used to teach mathematics for 10 years to engineering students. And then I was in all these years, I was constantly looking for my passion. I was thinking that this is not the purpose what I'm living for. And finally, I got my purpose that I became a life coach. And transforming lives, helping people, motivating and guiding is, that is giving me immense pleasure and fulfillment. I started this last 1 year. In this, I got my personal transformation first of all, and that I feel that was huge. Where actually today I have, in mathematics, I have around 500 videos online, and I have more than 4,500 students from 126 countries. So these are
Wow,
the lives
wow.
are impacted by mathematics course. That was my personal transformation. I'm an author now, which I never felt that I could be one. It was never in my dreams list or goals list. But yes, once you start working on your mental codes and beliefs, and then these things are possible. So we'll be talking about it in detail. Uh, Secondly, I'm coaching my clients, and very important thing which I'm getting is the fulfillment when they get transformation, something similar to what I have got. And the domino effect is always happening in their life. So I feel that WhatsApp messages saying thank you, Facebook messages saying thank you, that makes my life so wonderful, so wonderful.
Wow, good to hear that, Seema. Great, great. So happy to be part of this panel right now. I think Sweta has got some technical issue. It's been raining here, looks like, and now so yet to come back. So we'll hold for some time until she's back. So guys, welcome viewers. I'm sure you guys are eagerly waiting for this show, and we're just give us a few minutes. We're going to be back, and yes, Shweta is having some technical glitch. She's coming, joining soon right now. She's backstage right now, and she's going to come back. So stay tuned. Stay tuned.
So till then, can we take some questions from by the time Shweta comes? Let's make it interactive.
Yeah, yeah.
If you viewers have some questions, we can talk to them, interact with them. Right, Shailesh? What do you think?
Okay, yes, and
Why am
yes,
I
guys.
not
He is
joining?
there.
Yes, Shweta's back.
That's so nice. We have our team back.
Yes, I've been waiting for Shruti, and I believe, yes, definitely, rain is definitely playing some role in, I think, the network today. So I heard you guys. I was able to listen to you. I was able to actually even watch you, but I was not visible. So it was really inspiring, Shailesh, especially listening to your story, how many lives you have touched. That's amazing. And how, I mean, I think it's been a very short journey because I read the reviews of your books. The reason I got all three of you together was that the reviews when I was going through about the books that you have written, they were so inspiring that I thought this message has to go to the audience. This message must be passed across, that people who think like I am a coach for single parents, and which has become a very large community. Now it's not about people who are divorced or widows or people who are living separately, people who are maybe working in two different geographical locations, or people who are in a I would say bad marriage or bad relations. So there are a lot of people who are struggling with those parts, wherein Shailesh, I believe you've been filling that gap beautifully. And
Thank you.
like I believe in olden times, wherein we say that fix the root. If fish is sick, don't treat the fish, treat the water. And that's what exactly Seema has been doing, that she's getting into the foundation of those children and bringing the change right from the bottom, wherein if you have given the right values and right education, right morals to your children, their life is transformed right at the beginning of the time. So then, they are definitely bound to be better human beings, and they're bound to flourish in every sphere of life. So now, I was hoping Shruti to join soon, because again, she's been working very extensively for more than 3 decades now in the line of education. She's been running number of NGOs and online communities, something to do with the dancing, somewhere with the education, somewhere with the art and creativity. And she's been primarily in the sector of education. She's been changing lives. And if you see her, she's one of the youngest candidate you'll find around you who's been transforming life. And this mystery, I will let it be here till she appears on screen. So, Shailesh, in the meantime, I was, reading again, as I said, I was reading the reviews of the book, and I like the name Couples in Sync, Roll Together. What is the primary message that you want to pass across through your book? And how will it create in helping a metamorphosis of society? How do you intend to do that?
Sure. Thank you, Shweta, for asking this question. This is a very important question that I'm sure a lot of viewers must be having in mind, I'm sure. And yes, I want to share some stats actually. What made me actually move forward in this journey of becoming an author and writing a book for couples actually, Now, if you see US, 40 to 50% of marriage results in divorce. And unfortunately, the trend actually now is catching up fast in India over the last few years, though it's still way below what US is, but it's catching up. Now, my book is a contribution towards transforming the couple's life, which, if we, as you rightly said, treat the water, right? So, if we actually kind of identify the real root causes upfront early in the journey of the married couples, we can actually, prevent it to prevent the major mishaps later in the relationship, because it's all about catching it early as a courtship period, because courtship period is very, very important. What I've talked about in the book is that how important is that, what do people talk in that, what do people really, what things have to be really instilled in people. I mean, couples have to basically talk through what they're looking at, what are their goals. I mean, if I know it's lovey-dovey talks is good to have during that period, but now there are also certain things which you, how you understand each other's values. So what I've captured in the book is that included those things, because how you discover your partner, each other actually. And my book also highlights the importance of, it actually highlights the key reasons why the relationship breaks, and also shared some stories about how I have coached some people to overcome their challenges. And yes, there are more information in the book which actually talks about some simple and yet powerful questions that can make you realize why the way they are today, couples today, and how to course correct their actions for future. That's more important to do. And last but not the least, the most important thing is the communication method in the marriage. Gratitude, being apologetic, how to manage conflicts. These are things that are very, very important in every couple's life. And if they're able to do that, nothing like it. So my book has all those ingredients that can actually help people transform their lives, along with some tools as questions, powerful questions that helps them come out of their whatever scenario of with a small misunderstanding or a major ones, they can resolve it.
Wonderful, wonderful. I think it's sounding very interesting. It's sounding really, really, it's like inviting that one must read the book. Amazing. And I think it should be no doubt it's number one bestseller. And, and
Yes.
I think the tag had come, I think, what, in one day, I believe you had sold the maximum number of copies. Wow.
Actually, it came around, yes, few days, not one day, few days. It
Days
took us a
time.
couple of
Okay.
3 days. Yeah.
Wonderful. Wonderful. No, it is definitely sounding really a valuable book for couples,
Yeah.
not just for couples. Rightly said, right from the courtship. When you and before you even enter in a relationship, you must know what you are, getting into like that. So
Yes.
I think on that note, I would like to go on to Miss Seema. Seema ji, what kind of transformation now you are bringing with the victory, and it says like victim to victory. And I believe there are a lot of people who are trapped in this vicious cycle of being a victim and looking forward how to, gain their victory, how to achieve the dreams. Everybody has dreams, but people don't know usually how to achieve those dreams. So, what is the kind of metamorphosis of society that you are bringing through your book and through your work? Let's talk about book first. Can I have a look at your book? I really want to see what is the ah. So you have the genie on the book. Wonderful. You're on mute, I believe. Seema ji, unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, Shweta. Yeah, thank you so much. So this is my book. Title of the book is Victim to Victory. And if you can see the small line in this thing, 7-step action plan. So what it is talking about is, most of the people I have seen that they say, you must have also noticed this, I have done this, I have done this, and I have taken 100% of efforts, but I'm not getting what I deserve, and I don't know where I'm going wrong. And that was actually hitting me as well, because I'm a person who constantly keep taking actions and I'm good at decision making. So I was thinking, what is that one thing? What are those things? If somebody, hi Shruti.
Hi,
Hi, Shruti.
good to see you all. I was not connecting to the laptop. I don't
We'll
know what
we'll come to
happened.
you, Shruti ji.
Fine, fine.
Shruti ji,
Carry
give
on,
us
Seema.
1 minute. Let's
Yeah, yeah,
listen
carry
to,
on,
yeah,
carry on,
Seema, and then
carry
we'll
on.
come to you.
Hmm. So I was thinking that there is something which I'm missing, and being a maths teacher, I strongly believe that when you want to achieve that outcome, the correct answer, what you need, all your 10 steps. Suppose if your one numerical has 10 steps, and if all these are correct, you come out with the correct answer. But if any one of these steps is missing or wrong, then you don't get the desired outcome. So I have put that formula as a 7 step, and people can, viewer or readers can go through this book, and they can actually tick mark at the end of the book. I have given them the chart. They can tick mark for their previous dreams, those they feel that they were complete, and those they think that they were not complete, even though they took actions. So they can just stick on those things, and they can definitely find out what is that particular one thing or two things are missing and I'm not getting results. So they can go back and start working on that. This book is not like someone who will lie down on sofa, read it and forget it. So people have to be on
Wonderful.
action mode on this. Somebody who is reading this and lazy will definitely curse me, but I'm sure that they will get results in their life.
Wow, great.
Lovely.
So that means your book is all about action, taking action,
Action.
getting out of their procrastination mode. Yeah, that's exactly the reviews I got, that this book is for hitting, people who are living in procrastination. So it's time to get up and actually chase your dreams. And now that you have told me that you have even given the action plan, so I'm sure that, our viewers can definitely gain a lot of action plans, which is very much required. People know what to do, but how to do that becomes a question. Thank you very much, Seema. So finally, we have with us Ms. Shruti Dutt, our own Delhi Wali Nani. After I think conquering all the brain and technical glitches, Shruti ji, can you
Remember.
see us?
Yeah, I can. Shweta,
Yes.
can you connect my laptop? Can you add me from my laptop? I'm on the
Yes,
laptop
we can.
backstage.
Okay,
If
no
you add
problem.
add
We'll have you.
yeah, if you add me from the laptop, I wouldn't have to hold my phone. if
Just give
it's
us some
if
time.
it's
Till then,
okay.
please allow our viewers to know more about you, more about your book, because you've been doing multiple things. So your
Yes,
introduction is
absolutely.
way too long. Our program will end
Tha-
with your introduction only. So it's better if you tell us what all you do.
Okay, thank you so much, Shweta. Can you see me clearly? I think I'm a little
Yes,
off.
absolutely clear.
Okay,
Absolutely clear, ma'am.
okay. So for the viewers, I don't know if you've already done an introduction because I missed out the first half. So I'm a transformation coach now and an author of Change Your Story Today. This is my book. Can you see it? Yes.
Yes, we can.
So yeah. So the book was. If you want me to talk about the book first or about myself first?
Ma'am, both.
Okay, so a little bit about myself. As you can see, I'm in the third stage of life. I have 40 years of life experience. I started life as an advertising professional. I went into becoming an international trader. And then because of being a mother and children, according to the times, I have been changing my story and I have been doing varied things. I've been an artist, I've been a soft skills trainer, I've been an English teacher, I have been a philanthropist, and now finally I'm a transformation coach and really enjoying the journey, helping, contributing, and now I have made a mission to reach at least 1,000 youth and children within this year, by the end of this year, and impact their lives positively to bring about a change in them so that they can really stay undefeated in life forever. So, for doing that, the three things that I've done is first, I've written this book called Change Your Story Today, which is actually like standby for any coach. It deals with 7 very difficult situations in life, which are true life situations of some of my friends. I have fictionalized them. They were very nice to give me their stories. And so the essence is very, very true to life. That is what makes them very interesting, also. So the difficult situations are like the death of a very loving spouse. Then there is a situation where a woman is married before her age, like 16 years, underage marriage, and then she faces domestic abuse and violence at home, and how she comes out of it. Then there is a story about a very loving couple who has a stillbirth, has a child, and then their relationship gets spoiled, and how they again reunite after understanding. I think some coach like Shailesh must have helped them. Then they come back. So these are different stories. There's a story about a doctor who dies because of COVID, and how her sister still determines to take her mission forward. So there are 7 such stories, very, very interesting stories, which if you just go through them, it creates a transformation in you and makes you feel that, yes, no matter what you have in life, you can stay undefeated and you can conquer all. And to help my readers do that, I've also created a system called Bloom. Now, the Bloom is my own system of coaching. The B stands for being yourself, L stands for letting go of things, O stands for owning your issues. So we must face and own the issues rather than putting them under the carpet. And O stands for then deciding to overcome. And M is to move forward with the determination of overcoming. So this Bloom system is also a complete system in itself, which can really help any person to transform if they take it seriously and do the exercises. Then I have also created for the youth mainly a very instant meditation technique, which I use a lot. And some of my youth students whom I shared it with have been using it, and they say it works wonders. It's a secret code, I call, and the secret code is "Oh God." So, we all are used to saying "Oh God" whenever there's a problem. OMG, hum type karte rehte hain. Oh my God, oh God. So it's a normal, natural thing for us to say whenever we are faced with any difficult situations. But my "Oh God" technique says O is for owning my problem. G stands for a lot of gratitude for the problem itself, because the problems are the things that really make you stronger in life. So a lot of gratitude, overcoming, and determination. That is my God. So when I say,
Wow.
"Oh God," it means something very different to me. It doesn't mean, "Oh God, ye kya ho gaya?" It means, "Oh God, now I have the determination to move on." So this is an instant meditation which you can do 100 times a day according to your situation. It's an instant pick me up. जब भी आपको low feel हो, कुछ हो, and this is very well described in detail in my book. If you go through the book, you will really get the hang of it. And if you practice it, you will not have a single day which is not productive, which is not taking you forward, which is not creating the kind of value you want to create with your day and life. So I think, and I've got excellent feedbacks, which has really energized me, from my students as well as the readers already. So I'm very, very happy of this effort, which I made totally during the lockdown. So lockdown has kind of helped me change my story. So
Wonderful,
this,
wonderful. You see,
yeah. So
that's why
this
I
is
told you that it's better if you introduce yourself, because you have done massive work, throughout these years, and you've been so consistently working on actually bringing transformation. Now, one
yes,
thing that comes to
absolutely.
my mind is, and yes, when you talked about the reviews, one of the review I think was given by your teacher, which is mentioned online, and
Yeah.
that was really inspiring. And on the day of Teachers' Day, first
Yes.
of all, I think one thing which I've missed is thanking all the teachers, everyone who has who has been inspiring me. I would say for all of us, there are a lot of
Absolutely.
people who play role as a teacher, directly as
Absolutely.
our teachers, as our mentors. But there are
Yes.
a lot of indirect teachings that we get from people around us, from things around us. Like one of my friend who had mentioned that he has a picture of ants in his house, because he said, I learned patience and
Yes.
consistency and the dedication from ants. So he clicked
Yes.
pictures of those walking ants. He, hung it on the wall. He said, they are also my guru. So
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
I think life transformation can happen anytime, anywhere. You just have to be present in that moment and
Yes.
determined to actually transform your life. So now
Yes.
that brings me to question that you guys have set massive goals, I would say, for yourself and for others in order to bring changes, in order to bring transformation in others. Now,
Yes.
apart from whatever you've been doing, you've written the book and all of you have given, in a way, a direction for people to, to walk through, not just read the book, but walk through those messages that you want to pass across. What are the other activities that you have taken up to, so that people can achieve your goals? Is there
Yes.
something else apart from
Yeah.
your book that all of you have been passing on? I think Shailesh ji, we'll start with you and taking it to Seema ji and then to Shruti.
Sure. Thank you, Shweta, for asking this question. This is very, very important thing that what we are doing. Become an author. Apart from being an author, see, when I look around people, okay, I was just reading an article the other day that uh, one of the law sites is that 20% there's been a hike of 20% inquiries for divorces for the lawyers. Okay, they've been that's a spike that is being seen. Now that itself is a huge during the lockdown period itself. Now what I do, I actually impact lives of people where they're stuck, either in the relationship big time, or they're actually stuck in their own personal space where they're not able to move forward because they have that fear of failure. They have their kind of they feel that they're not good enough. Okay, and a lot of people have that. Example: a lot of people fear that they can't talk in public in front of big audience. Okay, and that is stopping them from moving forward.
ऐसे क्यों आ रहा है
It
ये?
is all because there is something running in the subconscious mind that
It's
stops them.
better now.
Some beliefs that they're running into. So what I do is that I actually help them discover themselves in terms of how, first of all, who they are as a person, because they don't know the definition of themselves. Unless they know their definition, what they are, how can they actually take a decision which is actually helping them, right? And they're happy with that, right? Second important thing is that if they don't know their belief system, if they don't know because most important thing to realize where they stand and why they stand today. If we at least get sorted there, then you actually can make a massive change in yourself to course correct what you want to achieve in future, right? And unless somebody goes through that process, a system, you can't even achieve what you want to. A lot of people actually go down. Imagine a lot of people take New Year oath, right? I'll do this, I'll do that. Real stats say 85% people don't even complete 1 week and just their actually entire resolution goes on in drain. Why? Because they just thought something. Now when I work with people, I make them realize what is something, the clarity that you have, what exactly how you're going to achieve it, what is the path that you should take. They themselves discover it through a process that I take them through. Okay, and that brings a transformation because information doesn't impact anybody. A lot of information available online, you can see, unless somebody goes through within, unless it comes out from within, nothing changes, right? So that's what I do. I make them through a process, and I have seen amazing breakthrough in people I've worked with. Okay, and I've impacted 400 plus people, and I'm still continuing to do so. And now it's been amazing journey when I feel so happy when actually somebody comes and tells me, Shailesh, you have impacted my life. So that's what we are doing. And with the book is actually now for me, it's when people come and talk to me, they talk about the book. And my book actually is I run out of promotion for that book, but I mean for me, book is just something that it's my journey, what I have gone through, and I have experienced that. How have helped people out. I put that in the book. But and in the reality right now, I'm working with couples. I have my own program for relationship of couples that I've recently developed, and I'm actually going to be starting my first batch very soon on this, and that's pretty much what I do.
Wonderful, wonderful. Really nice and inspirational journey, I must say. And you are definitely set for a goal. not just for yourself, but for all all those people whose life you are about to change. All the best. Seema ji, now let me
Yeah.
hear how are you going to be from victim to the victory ladder? What kind of goals you have set for yourself?
Shweta, that is actually really a favorite question of mine because that reminds me of, again, that inspires me a lot when I answer this question. My mission is to transform 1 million lives by 2025. And yeah, it looks very big, that sometimes that scares me also. But I'm on a complete action plan through my book, Seven Step Action Plan.
That's
What
what I
I
was about to say. You know the action plan, how to take, how to fulfill your dream. You know the action plan. Yes, please.
Yes, yes. So, one very small thing I do is like, I don't know how much it will resonate with you, but I feel that whoever I talk to, whoever I'm interacting with, any person, be it a vegetable vendor, be it a cab driver, or anybody, I make sure that I will be the value addition. I will be the value addition with that person when I'm talking to that person.
Very
So
nice.
I completely agree with Shailesh that it is all about your inner self. It is all about your inner world. And I strongly believe that everything starts with your thought process. If that is not
Absolutely.
sorted, that is not in place, results will not be there, no matter how hard you are working in your life. So that is easy, that is very simple to work with any person. And if you have that right way of doing it, talking to them, asking them powerful questions, people get immense breakthroughs in their life. And this is one thing I'm constantly following since last 1 year. So that is my strong belief that I'm a super awesome coach, and that gives me so much of power and energy to add value to people's life.
Wonderful.
Another thing, now in today's era, we are into the this internet world. It's very easy to reach out to lot many people, and that is that this digital age has become our job so simple. We have webinars, we have videos, we have YouTube videos, Facebook, so many platforms to reach out to those many people. We can have support team, like people who are getting transformation from me. They will transform, they will create that domino effect in other person's life, and this is how I can reach to millions of people in short time.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I think it's a good mission to work on, and all the best. I don't think it's a unrealistic kind of goal that you have set for yourself. The way, with the kind of planning you are moving ahead, I believe all of you are like on a real tight mission, I must say, and a very well planned mission to transform lives and bring that change, which is very much required in our society. You know, treating our roots and also getting our relationships in sync, because again, as a life coach, I understand how important it is to have your emotional balance. Because if you don't have your emotions in place, there is no way that you can actually balance either your finances or your career, you call it your fun, your learning, everything just kind of goes out of sync. So it's not just the couples who are required to be in sync, but I think our emotions are required to be in sync in order to lead a happy and a prosperous life. Shruti ji, now coming back to you, how do you intend to transform lives and bring the metamorphosis in society, if you can tell us?
Yes. Shweta, I think the internet has done me a lot of good because of COVID and by getting more familiar with the internet, I'm being able to reach out globally to a lot of people, which I never thought I ever would. So now I'm working on three levels. One, of course, is one-to-one coaching with people whom I meet. Then, I'm a nani. I'm a nani of two beautiful grandchildren, and I'm a Dilli wali. So
Dilli
I
wali
that
nani, yes.
yes, so I'm a Dilli wali nani, and as such, my concerns are very much for the future and the youngsters. So I'm a YouTuber now on as Dilli wali nani, where I share value creating stories for children, and I also do it in two languages so that they learn communication skills. I do it in Hindi and English both. So that is my work for the youngsters so that I can seed the values at a very young age, so they don't have to grow up and learn the things that need to. So basically, I'm a practicing Buddhist, and Buddha believed in parables. So I also believe in stories and teaching through stories a lot. And that's one platform which has reached out to quite a few students already. Although my subscribers are just about 200 as of now, I've just started. But some schools have adapted my stories and they're showing it in their schools, which is very nice. In their, there's a Ashoka Hall school in Calcutta who showed it to 400 people. I've done a Ramayana in English for children. So that is the way I want to go forward with the children. And for the youth, I have created a community called Bloom Lifestyle. Bloom is what I just shared with you. So, Bloom Lifestyle is a community that believes in staying undefeated, that believes in challenging every problem that comes their way with high spirit and overcoming it completely to show proof of their own strength and move on and create that kind of wellness and joy of life in society, So it has to, again, like Seema was saying, everything starts from the mind. So it has to work on the youth, their mind, so that they can work on themselves, become those kind of individuals who are always happy, and only then they can spread that happiness wherever they go. So the Bloom Lifestyle is another community I'm developing. I'm nurturing them. So these are the two communities, and I'm also creating a course for them to follow, which will be a totally life transformation coach for anybody. It can be for youth, not for small children. That's why for below 15, I have the Dilli Wali Nani platform. This course will be for any youngster to any age group anybody who wants to change or transform. Because change, I feel, is the only constant in life, and we need to keep changing according to our time, according to our circumstance, if we want to really live a value creating life. So for the youngsters, I must share with you, I have created a thing called Dancing Champions of Life. So this is the group they are in, and I have created some codings for them which they are reading every day. I know Seema is very fond of coding. So these are the codings my young students read every day. They say, I'm confident, I'm undefeated, I'm hardworking, I'm always happy, I'm compassionate, strong, kind, giving, powerful, unstoppable, and a victor. So these, and then
Wonderful.
yeah, and these are another codings that they're proud of being dancing champions of life. And these are the codings which I feel are more required for today's children, which says, I love my family, I love my friends, and for teachers, I love my teachers, I love reading, I love writing, I love art, I love what is most important now, home cooked food. So my youngsters are not eating junk food. My babies are all telling their moms, we don't want Lay's packets. So I love exercise, and they're all dancing every month on one song which I give them as a task. And they report to me, they send me their videos, and they learn one song every month, they learn one dance every month. And from this month onwards, I'm going to introduce craft to them. So I love trees, I love animals, I love sharing, and the most important coding here is I love smiling. So
Areva.
I, yeah. So they need to be the smiley little kids, the kids who are always happy. So these are the traits of a dancing champion of life, and this is how I'm nurturing them. And I believe it is going to, show proof even with their friends. When they become like that, their friends will learn, and it's so on. The ripple effect will happen, and hopefully my target is a little, because I'm older, तो मैं थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करने में हूँ सब कुछ. So by the end of this year, I want to reach 100,000 people. I can't wait
Areva.
for 2025. So
Wonderful.
I'm putting in as much effort as I can. यार कोविड का जमाना है, पता नहीं 25 तक बचूं भी या ना बचूं. So
Arre
do
nahi.
so
You
I
need to also create an affirmation code for yourself
no,
that
that's fine.
I
But till I'm here, every moment is for creating contribution, creating value, giving whatever, whoever needs help, wherever I can do whatever I can. So that is my, my own coding. वो तो मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ. अब पता नहीं blessings मिलेंगी तो पता नहीं कितने साल जी जाऊँ. That is all, not in our hands. Thank you, Seema. Thank you for that.
So,
So, but we have to be, actually what I feel is we really need to be aware that we are, here on this planet for a very short while, and we waste our times in the blame game, especially because I have traveled a lot, Shweta, all over the world, all over India also, And the one thing common which I found in people was they really want to be happy, but they inflict pain on themselves because of the blame game. They have this blame in their mind for everything else that is not letting them be happy, So that is an entire different, that coding I want to change right from childhood to their youth, so that these children and these youth, they don't grow up blaming anybody for not being happy. They learn the art of absolute happiness. They learn to be that strong and undefeated. Because believe you me, I have been through that abyss of self-pity and doubt and that blame game when I was younger. So I have been a student of life sciences. I've studied a lot of philosophy, trying to, although I grew up in a Brahmin family listening to Bhagavad Gita and everything, but still when problems came on my head, I went into that abyss of self-pity and stuff. So how to change that, So that changes can come by coding right from the youth, right from childhood to youth, and to really understand that your life is your responsibility. Nobody else can make you unhappy. Nobody else can, create that unless you allow them to. So that is the thing I really want my communities to become very, very strong in. And that is my mission now. And I'm working on that every single day. And anything else you would like to ask, Shweta?
I think अभी आपके पास इतना ज़्यादा experience है, with the vast experience and the knowledge that you have. So you have covered up the areas of what Seema ji is offering or what Shailesh is offering. So I think you've summed it up. But yes, coming back to Shailesh and then Seema and to you, back to you, Shruti ji. I would like to know, you see, we all want to transform lives. We all want to bring reforms. We are all ready to contribute. But when I started working on this thread, so it's not that easy. It may sound easy that, the help is being offered, but you'll be surprised at the kind of challenges that we can face. So I would want all of you to also guide our audience that what are the kind of difficulties that you think that, or you have faced, and how do you plan to overcome, so that it can be by you telling them, a lot of people will get benefit. So I'm sure all of you have faced challenges and will be facing challenges. So how do you plan to overcome them?
Yes, Shweta, a very good question again. I mean, you are asking amazing questions. Okay, so you're putting us on the spot, and yes, the challenges basically are, if I think of is one of the major things I've seen in addressing people is that people are not acknowledging that they have issues.
Yeah, true.
They're not coming out openly and sharing that they genuinely have issues, because that is one major thing I have seen. And what is blocking them? That's one challenge. That what are the challenges they're going through? They're not opening up actually when you talk to them. Now it requires an effort to actually take what is going through them, to take them out through some question that I ask. Okay, so. But yes, you got a very good point. The challenges are basically people not acknowledging them. Number one, okay, and we all humans have a tendency that we feel that, what if I go to somebody who can help me? What will people talk about it? No, that's what thing that people think. What will people talk about? I know a couple who actually came to me with a lot of difficulty. That why should I take help? I want to ask one thing from the audience. Okay. Is that I want to say one thing. People actually invest in buying luxury cars, okay, like BMW, you name it. You have a lot of various brands you have. If a small dent happens to them, the car, they get really worried and they spend thousands of rupees in getting their dent repaired. Agree? Yes.
Absolutely.
Now,
absolutely.
What stops you? And you reach out to professionals for help, right? You actually reach out to a really good service station or any company that actually can help you repair that car or repair that small dent. Now, a lot of people have dents in their lives. They don't realize, be it small or big, and they're not ready to actually invest in themselves, in their life, which is, I'm sure, if everybody values their life, right? What stops them from coming forward and raising and actually bringing that point up, which is a difference I've seen in Western countries, in India especially, people are still not really open up to really share. But things are catching up. It's happening good. But this is what I've experienced, a major challenge. People not acknowledging that they really have issues, but they have. एक चीज होता है कि एक छोटा छोटा प्रॉब्लम आपका एक धीरे धीरे एक बड़े बबल बनता रहता है, ठीक है. इट कीप्स ग्रोइंग एंड यू थिंक दैट अरे हो जाएगा, मैं कर लूंगा. पीपल से दैट आई विल डू इट, आई एम चैंपियन, आई डोंट नीड एनी हेल्प, व्हाई शुड आई गो फॉर हेल्प. एंड वो छोटा छोटा प्रॉब्लम एक इतना बड़ा बबल बनता है जब ना, और जब फूटता है तो इधर आपके फूटता है करियर पे, हेल्थ पे, रिलेशनशिप पे. ये तीन चीजें फूटता है वो. एंड विच इज व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल ऑडियंस, गाइस, देयर आर प्रोफेशनल्स अवेलेबल. There are people available to reach out for help. You can't do everything on your own because everyone has blind spot which you cannot see, which other person who can work with you can see that. So that's my message to the audience. This is how I tell people that, first of all, acknowledge. It's your life. You are the master of your life. Nobody has even right to destroy it.
Absolutely.
Get up, take action. Take action, stand up for yourself, for your family, for your kids. Yeah, so that's what I want to pass a message, that please acknowledge if that is the case. You have all the help in the world available.
True.
Yeah, so that's one thing I want to express the challenge, Shweta.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. And I must say, this is exactly what is the need of the hour, and people need to definitely acknowledge first of all before they can even, go to the road of repair. So that's very much required. You have hit the nail. Seema, what's your take on this?
Yeah, as Shailesh was saying, it is actually, in one liner, if I have to put it, that lack of self-awareness. I feel that I have experienced that with people while having conversation and coaching them. Lack of self-awareness. Shailesh has brought up one point where he was talking about they are not acknowledging that they have issues. There are also people which I have strongly feel that people are unaware of their strengths as well. And if somebody is telling them that this is good in you, they don't believe in that. And if you yourself don't believe it, nothing is going to happen in life. Secondly, it is so difficult to, as coach, I am working on people's mindset and help them get what they want to achieve in their life. So I'll continue with Shailesh's point, where Shailesh was offering there are people who are going to help you. Help is available in the world. So the thing is that coaches are not someone who is dealing with depressed people. When you are going to coaches, it doesn't mean that you have some strong mental issue. It means that you want to achieve something and you don't know how to achieve it. So coaches are helping you to give the right guidelines. So there is nothing wrong in going to coaches. Secondly, clarity. People don't have clarity about life. One question I always ask everyone in my coaching sessions is that what exactly, if there is no restriction of time, money, no responsibility, what exactly you want from your life? What will make you absolutely happy, fulfilled and satisfied?
True.
Tell me 5 things which you want to achieve in your life. And people, 90% of the people are stuck up. They say, we have never thought of this. And then that is so annoying that so many decades we are living on this earth
Without
everything
any
is
goals.
available to us, and we are not clear where we want to go.
True.
When we are thinking of going out from our home, we need the exact address, we need GPS, we need so many things, lot of preparation. Think of going for a vacation. How much preparation we do for 5 days vacation, 1 week, or maximum 1 month. But if you want to decide your future after 5 years, no clarity, and randomly, like you are driving a car where car doesn't know direction, car doesn't know destination, you don't have GPS, and randomly you're going, जहाँ पे जिंदगी लेके जाएगी कट रही है, जाने दो. So this is like, somebody who is not experienced, who is not learned driving, and he's driving a car of your life. So that is really, really dangerous scene.
Great point, Seema. Great point, Seema. Clarity is another.
Absolutely,
We don't have it.
Absolutely.
So how do you? I think in your case, I can clearly see that for any difficulty, you have one answer. That is the plan of action. Follow the plan of action, and that's it.
Yes.
So I can see how any victim can achieve that victory. Thank you very much for your input. Shruti,
Yes,
Now,
so
you must tell me, how are you going to overcome these challenges?
the difficulties with both of them, they are very, very true, which they have both outlined. That, I've been dealing with a lot of youngsters and college kids. So what Seema is saying is so true, because they don't make goals. They say, ma'am, goal banate hai, goal ho jata hai. We don't follow it up. So we don't want to make goals, you know. So so that is something we really need to, make not only youngsters, all of us have to understand that if you don't make goals, if you don't have navigation, like Seema said, you're not prepared what you want to do with your life in the next 1 year, 5 years. So you will not know what's going to happen next. So I would, instead of talking about that, since they have done it in detail, I think I just want to give a little more energy to the coaches not to give up. So you talked about the Cheety example. So I just want to read out this favorite poem of Sohanlal Dwivedi, which, my first story in the book is about my grandmother. And we used to recite this poem together quite often. I'll just read it out to you. This is for the coaches. Happy Coaches Day today. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पे से 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है. चढ़कर गिरना, गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है. मेहनत उसकी बेकार हर बार नहीं होती. मेहनत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So coaches, keep at it, keep giving contribution, keep doing, keep working on everybody's mindset, and somewhere we will make the dent for sure. Yeah. So I hope you like that.
Yes, definitely, definitely. I think this poem has been on lips of every child and every adult,
Absolutely.
especially ever
Absolutely.
since Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji, narrated this poem,
Yes.
and he made it a household thing. It's like everybody
Absolutely.
gets inspired, and definitely he is one of the biggest inspiration for our country.
I've been reciting it
all
since I
around
was
the
a
world.
kid. Yes.
Absolutely wonderful.
Yes.
Shailesh, would you like to share any interesting narrative with our viewers from your journey as an author, as a coach, while working so hard to become a person of contribution, about your own
Yes.
transformation
Yes,
and
absolutely.
determination to take it forward to others?
Yes.
And then Shailesh, after that, we would like Seema and Shruti also to throw some light on the same topic.
So,
Sure. So now my journey in my career, actually, what I've done is I'm an IT graduate. Okay, I've been a part of for 19 years. I was working in corporates. I work with many MNCs, actually. Okay, I'm now like Infosys, Cognizant, and a lot of other companies. Now, I was only writing
here
emails in
is
my career. Okay, I want to say that I was only writing emails.
Acha.
I was only writing emails because that was my job, right? Part of that, all these technology companies. I was only writing emails. I never ever imagined in my life that I can even write a book. Forget about the book. I never written a single article in my life where I can actually say that, okay, I'm a writer. Now,
Wow.
thanks to Mr. Arfin Khan, who's my mentor, I always, whenever I see my book, I always thank him for this, because he inspired me to write the book. And when I went through a journey of transition, right, where I had a lot of blocks that how can I write a book? I've never thought about it. In my family, nobody's a writer. Not in my distant relatives, nobody's a writer. How can I even write a book? So he helped me come out of those blocks where I had, and today, when I did this program with him, so what happened is that I set my outcome that I am going to launch my book in 6 months. Okay. And I gave myself time of 6 months. It's not a fake that I will do it. A lot of people say that I'll do it. I will create a book. I put a complete process behind it. How am I going to approach? Because everything was new to me. I had no clue that what a typesetted book means. What a manuscript actually, that's was something that I started flashing to me because I was writing a book. Now, everything was planned. I actually put together actually called power leaps, I would call it. First power leap to have my cover design in front of me, because I've heard from people that people actually leave writing in between. They get digressed. they lose motivation. So what I
Yes.
thought is, let me first put together a title and a cover page and put it on my desktop everywhere in my house, and that should remind me that I have a book in front of me. So I put that as the first power leap to basically say that yes, this is my cover, and I want to make it an amazing cover. So I put my wife and my photo on that. That always reminds me that yes, I'm writing for couples. So that is something is always on my mind. And after that, each power leap was about completing manuscript, cover design, basically 3D cover design, marketing, editing, everything was planned 15, 20 days, 30 days, that period where completely I was able to accomplish that in exact 6 months. I launched it and I had a date in mind, my parents-in-law's wedding anniversary, 15 December. And I launched my book on that day. So
Oh,
Yes.
wonderful.
yeah, so that was that thing I did because I wanted to choose a date which is kind of can be remembered forever. And I did that.
Yes.
So that is what
It
I
was.
wanted to share.
Yes. I
Yeah.
witnessed that. It
Was
was a
wonderful,
beautiful
very,
occasion.
very, very inspiring. And I would say, the way you have the clarity and the vision and that determination and plan of action, like how I can see that one part which is running common in all of you, that the kind of clarity that you have, and you've been able to pass on that vision, that clarity to people whom you are transforming the lives. And I'm sure that all of you are going to do wonders, and people are going to be really feel lucky after having met you. Thank you. Seema, now some more clarity. I am very interested. I'm really, really looking forward to hear now what new Google you're going to through, I must say. But I really like what Shruti said कि गोल तो गोल हो जाते हैं. आप क्या करते हैं?
Yeah, exactly. Shweta, actually, if I have to put it in a different words, I will say that, you are your biggest enemy.
True.
I come across people, even I was in the same space. I was thinking that because of this, because of this, because of this, I can't do something. Through entire of this whatever little success I have got in these couple of years, which I actually could not dream of, is because of thinking that yes, if something is stopping you from doing something, is only you, no one else. 3 years back when I was struggling with my coaching classes, that earning and number of students were going down, I was completely what do you say, I was completely lost in those days.
बाल ही
One of
उड़े जा
my
रहे हैं मेरे.
cousins suggested me that, Sima, you are a good teacher, so why don't you go on international platform? She suggested me you do this and this. Immediately, the little voice in my mind told me that, Sima, this is not your cup of tea. Just forget, don't listen. She was telling me something beautiful, that you're going to earn decent amount of money.
Yeah.
Uh, there are thousands of instructors, those who are earning money. This is going to be a passive income. She was telling this, and I was telling myself, Sima, forget, don't listen to her. She doesn't know anything. Look at your background. Your parents are not educated. You have been learning through education through Marathi medium, so you don't have that proper English background, English grammar. So on international platform, how dare you think of going there, and who will listen to you? Not even a single person will listen to you. And this stopped me for last 3 years. I did not take action. Imagine if someone is pulling you back and telling you that you don't deserve this, you can't do it. All the time that person is telling you, and that person is someone who is you yourself. You believe yourself the most. You will never take actions. And then those 3 years were really bad for me to establish myself. Once I started working on my coding, I know how to do that. I have a system by which I can do that. This is called as wiring. So I changed my wiring, I changed my codes, and I realized that that was all nonsense going on in my head, and I shouldn't be listening to this. And then I
Yes.
started making my videos. My first video took me 1 month to finalize from that international platform. Then once I got into that momentum, because I just wanted to do it. And in that momentum, my average went to 10 videos a day. I used to shoot 10 videos a day from one
Wow.
video for 1 month. Too. I had
Wow.
500 videos, and I mentioned you that more than 4,500 students in just 6 months. I'm getting so amazing reviews, and I don't believe this is me.
Wow.
I'm the author of an English book. I mean, I don't believe all this. Today also, I'm living a life of my dreams. So, guys, I just want to tell all the viewers that lot many things are possible for you. There is
Yes.
nothing which can stop you. There is nothing like age, there is nothing like background, there is nothing like your parents. Nobody can stop you. If you want to do it, you will definitely do it. So start with the end in the beginning. What you want to achieve? I want to become a super awesome coach. So I always start with the code that I am right now a super awesome coach and I impact everyone's life who is coming in contact with me. So this is the end I
Absolutely.
want to achieve and I'm starting with that.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, wonderful,
Wow,
really,
wonderful.
really inspiring, I must say. It is definitely, yeah, definitely. It calls for an applause. Shruti, now quickly, we're running against time.
Yeah.
So now you need to give us your narrative.
Well, my narrative is, I think we all have to thank our teacher, Arfin Khan, today a lot because he's brought about this tremendous transformation in so many of us. And it's a Teacher's Day. So for me, just about a year back, it was like, I've done that, been there. I'm not going to do anything more in my life. I'm retired, like I was 57. And अब क्या रह गया life में अब ये नहीं करना. So I had a long list of things which I didn't want to do. But that was somewhere making me a unhappy person, which I never was. I've always been doing things and being on the move. So I was in a state of total confusion, and like Seema said, my negative small talk had started in my mind that now you're too old, now you're this, you're not tech savvy, the world has gone much beyond you, you just relax now, and you can't even, you don't have the energies, because I used to do a lot of social work, going out to the slums and moving out a lot. So now you don't have the energies to do that, now you can't do this. So I had whole list of negative self talk going on, which Arfin just jolted out of me, with just one look at me, and he said, you can do it, you know you can still do it, what are you talking, why are you saying these things to yourself? And when he said that, I think, I don't know, something happened and my whole mindset changed. And now, like she said, my talk is always, yes, I can do it, I can do it. So I'm learning new things, I'm learning new technology, I'm doing lots of new things in life. And believe you me, I'm feeling like an 18-year-old. I don't even think of my age anymore. So that is like under the carpet. So it's, this is what it is. Like and I really want to talk to the women who are over 50 and who feel that now, there's nothing much to do. There is so much you can do with your life. And in fact, I feel now is the time to start and really do what you really want to do. So figure out what, because when children are growing up and other things are happening, you have to keep kind of modulating your lifestyle and things according to them. But now, if you're free, you can really look into your life and say, okay, this is it, this is what I want to do, and give it your all. So that is what transformation is all about. We need to transform in every stage of life. So, especially women, pehle badi hoti hain, then they go to their in-laws' house, they have to transform. Then they become a mother, they have to transform. Of course, men also, Shailesh, sorry for that. They have to become fathers. But being a woman, I'm more, more familiar with the transformations of women. And then your kids grow up, you become a mom-in-law, you have to transform. You become a granny, you have to transform. So transformation is the key. And if you do it the right way, you will really enjoy life, live life to the utmost. So that is what I would like to share with all women who are above 50. And of course, with the children and the youth, I'm always sharing things. So yeah, that's what I want to say.
Thank you very much. Before you actually, while you were having trouble logging in, so I was telling everyone how we have a youngest participant with us who is going to inspire us all, and they had not seen you, so now they know what I was talking about. So thank you very much, first of all
Thank
of
you so
you,
much, Shweta. Thank you
and
so much.
inspiring
Love you
us
all a lot.
and
Love you all
inspiring
a
our
lot.
audience. So, giving the major, I think, takeaways that OMG, every time now, I think our viewers are going to
Oh
say
God.
OMG, they're going to
Mine
really
is,
own
oh
my,
God.
yeah, oh
Oh
God,
God.
it's going to be like really owning up and owning up to your responsibilities, to yourself,
Actually,
and have
actually,
gratitude.
If you want to say OMG, you can say I will overcome and move forward with gratitude. OMG.
Absolutely. I think it was,
I made it
so
on
that
the
I think that's
spot for you.
even better. Yes. Coming from the original source, yes, definitely it makes more sense. And
Yes.
have relationship goals. Even as a
Yes.
single parent coach, I always tell people that I wish nobody has to reach to that point. But because if you can fix it right at the beginning, if you can
Yes.
be more realistic about the kind of life that you want to have, uh, and don't really wait for bubble to burst, as Shailesh rightly said, that don't let that time reach wherein you need to really throw out of your relationships out of window, seek professional help,
Yeah.
and don't let goals goal out goal out the procrastination. Procrastination is the real enemy, and having
Absolutely.
goals with an act plan of action will definitely help, and that's the key. Actually, otherwise, like any other resolution, any other goals, that will just become like a wish. It's not realistic. It's not easy, or in fact, most of the times they're not achievable because there is no plan of action associated with that. So learn it from the experts, from all the generations, either somebody working with children, with couples, with life transformation, covering up, I think, different aspects. What I can see is all of you are trying to contribute in your own manner from wherever people can catch, that the transformation can happen at any stage of time. Don't
Yes.
just think that I can't do it. That's what I've derived, that no matter what background you come from, what age group you have, or what gender you belong to. So you don't have to
Yes.
really come up like, that I have done certain studies or I have not done certain studies. I have not come
True.
from certain background. I do come from this background. So there are like excuses have no limit. So stop giving excuses to yourself and set a plan of action and go get your dreams, achieve them. They are all achievable, and don't
Absolutely.
hold yourself. As I say, Meri Azadi. I call it Meri Azadi because just go out and get it. It's all doable.
Yes.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much for your time, and thank you very much, our viewers, for listening to us. And I hope all of you have derived much value from this discussion. Thank you, Shruti. Thank you, Shailesh
Thank
ji.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Thank you,
everybody
Shweta.
for
Shweta,
Thank you.
listening.
Shailesh, Seema.
Thank
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 you
you.
so
you.
Thank you.
much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Shailesh. It was
Thank
nice
you.
session with you all, and it was a great learning with you all. Thank you all
Yes,
viewers
absolutely.
for and listening to us patiently.
Yes.
Same here.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so much,
girls.
guys.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Seema and
Bye-bye.
Shailesh. Thank you,
Bye.
Thank
Shweta.
you. Thank you.
Bye
Bye.
bye. I missed out the beginning.